Hey there, tech aficionados! Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted source for the latest and greatest in tech gadgets. Today, we have something incredibly versatile and essential to talk about: the ikling USB-C hub. Prepare to be amazed as we explore the top 7 advantages of choosing this 9-in-1 USB-C hub multi-port adapter. This little powerhouse is designed to supercharge your tech setup, so let's dive right in. First off, let's talk about its stunning 4K HDMI capabilities. With a lifelike 4K 3840 by 2160 at 30 Hz HDMI video output, you can enjoy an immersive 3D viewing experience like never before. Whether it's media content, movies, or work presentations, this hub transforms your laptop into a portable powerhouse. But that's not all. The ikling USB-C hub features a high-speed RJ45 1000M Ethernet port. This means you can enjoy lightning-fast Gigabit Ethernet connectivity, ensuring a stable and speedy wired network connection for all your needs. Need more USB ports? No problem. This hub boasts 2 efficient USB-A 3.0 ports with a 5 gigabits per second transfer speed. Perfect for quick data transfers, charging your devices, and connecting your favorite peripherals like keyboards and mice. Take a look at this sleek and slim body. The ikling USB-C hub is incredibly compact and lightweight, making it ideal for everyday carrying, commuting, and traveling. Plus, it comes with a slim bag to protect the hub and cable, and even a protective cap for the cable. Now that's thoughtful design. Don't underestimate its toughness. With an upgraded high-density aluminum alloy shell, it effectively dissipates heat and protects your devices. So, you can count on it to be both stylish and robust. Here's the best part: you never need any drivers or software. It's as simple as plug and play. Whether you're tech-savvy or not, this hub is a breeze to use. The ikling USB-C hub is universally compatible with almost all Type-C devices, including MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, iPad Pro, Samsung Chromebook, Lenovo, HP, Dell, and Google Chromebook, to name a few. It's the ultimate tech companion. Before we wrap up, remember that this hub is not just a tech accessory. It's an ideal gift for friends, family, and colleagues. So, spread the tech love. That's a wrap for today's review of the ikling USB-C hub. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews. For additional information and availability, check out the link in the description. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique, and as always, stay tech savvy, my friends.